Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a Chad Valley Slide and Hide multi-play. Right, we're going to be unboxing that. And as you see, box 1 of 2, and there is box 2. Okay, so we're going to pop those open and show you what you get for your money. This is stress packaging. Okay, there we go. That's box 1 of 2. Let's just pop that open. I've cut the tapes and everything around it, so just lift the lid off. Let's see what we got. Oh, we've got a load of poles. Take it off properly. That's it. Get it out of the way. Alright, so what we've got to do is unpack all this lot now and see how it all goes and how it all works. Let's just pop the lid off of box 2 just in case we need it to go together. And again, a load of poles and what looks like 2 swings base. Alright, so here we go. Okay, I've unboxed everything and let's start with box number 1. This is what we have. We have our instruction manual. We have the 2 arms. We have those 2. We have those. We have the other bits and pieces there. This is a brilliant idea. You get everything all in the seal, all numbered, all everything. You can cut them out individually and just keep them so you can see the little dotted line. So when you open it, you know what's in it. Right? Your pins for the floor, bit of string to tie up your basketball net, not even string, it's the net itself, right? And then you have your basketball. The only thing you don't get with it, talking about taking the pins, is a basketball, right? Box number 2, you get your swings and you get a selection of poles which are all lettered and numbered, sorry, not letters, all numbered right across up to there. And again, another little content checklist. Alright, so we're gonna start putting this together and try and capture it as we go along. Okay, see you again in a minute.